Sadhana Demolition and Engineering is one of the key player in building demolition and factory decommissioning services in Malaysia. For the past 12 years, our team of expertise and resources have successfully completed many major projects in Malaysia. We provide one-stop service to dismantle factory building and plant machineries and subsequently prepare the site for new development and construction. Our combined expertise and right resources enable us to execute safe and efficient demolition projects. This include high-rise building and silo, commercial and factory buildings. For each demolition project, we specialize in handling large quantities of scrap metal including cutting, sorting, loading and transport. For new development, we specialize in hacking of concrete foundation and site clearance to prepare the site for next phase of construction. Our experience and expertise allow us to deliver safe and efficient demolition service. We also provide accurate cost analysis and offer high salvage return value to stakeholders. We have vast array of heavy machineries for scrap metal processing, concrete building demolition and site clearance. For each and every project, we emphasize our commitment to safety, health, and the environment. Over the years we have the privilege of serving some of Malaysia's largest corporations in a variety of industries. Contact us today to schedule a site assessment for cost analysis, work methodology and project proposal.